Hi guys, welcome back to Country Cooking with Carly and Queen Kitty Gaming. Today I am making a delicious, super simple, super easy, no-bake lemon cheesecake. This is so simple guys, and it's literally only 4 ingredients. So let's get started with the recipe and I hope you enjoy it. So you want to start with 2 medium size, or you could even do just 1 large lemon. I just found 2 medium sized lemons, so that's what I'm going to be using. And you just want to cut these in half and squeeze them into a bowl. So I'm just going to be cutting this in half. And yeah, if you have a large lemon and a squeezer, then that's plenty. I'm just going to be squeezing mine by hand. And I got 2 medium sized lemons. So that's going to work best for me. I want to make sure I have enough juice. I like a lot of flavor. So then I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze as much juice out as I can. And again, I'm doing this by hand because I don't have a squeezer. Oh, seed fell. I want to make sure you get those seeds out too. My hands are nice and clean, so that's totally fine. Oh, I think I got everything I could out of the first lemon. I'm going to be squeezing the second lemon now. Okay, so now you're just going to put a block of cream cheese, 1 full block, right on top of that freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then you want a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And you're literally just going to dump this on top of the cream cheese and the freshly squeezed lemon juice. So simple, guys. I think it's going to be delicious. I don't think I've ever even tasted lemon cheesecake, but I do like cheesecake. I mean, I'm a little picky about the flavor. It's funny because I'm like a chocolate freak, but I don't like too much chocolate with cheesecake. I like more of a fruity cheesecake, so I love chocolate cake. Just not as wild about chocolate cheesecake, but fruity, definitely. This is so simple. 4 ingredients. I will be adding at the end some strawberries on top just to garnish and make it look pretty and of course taste delicious. But that's totally optional. I'm just trying to get as much of this sweetened condensed milk out as possible. I don't like wasting anything. I think I'll get my little silicone spatula here and get the rest. Alright, so now I'll be adding about a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon and a half. Doesn't have to be exact. If you like more flavor, add a little more of vanilla. And I am using pure vanilla extract, baking vanilla here. So it's so simple, guys and girls. You're just going to blend this, add a 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice, blend a little more, and then your cream cheese mixture is going to be all ready just to pour into the pie crust. So that's all there is to it. So simple. Let's get to blending. You do want to start out very slow when blending because you don't want it to go flying everywhere. Starting out as slow as possible because I really don't want cream cheese all over myself or my camera, even though it's a GoPro. Waterproof. I don't know if it's cream cheese mixture proof though. So. And you can go a lot faster once you start blending and getting a lot of that mixed in there. And then you just want to slowly add in some more lemon juice. Now if you only used 1 lemon to squeeze before you blended, you can use the 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice. But since I used 2 lemons, I'm probably only going to use about half of that because I don't want it to be over flavored. So I'm just going to slowly add some of this lemon juice in while blending. Again, probably just about half of what you would use if you used 1 lemon at the beginning. So you just want to blend that together really well. Try to get most of the lumps out. Okay, guys and girls, so I am all done blending. I'm just going to make sure I get some of this off the sides here. But anyhow, as soon as you're all done blending and you get all those lumps out, I even blended enough to start seeing some bubbling. That's probably the best. You want it to be nice and smooth. So anyway, as soon as you're done blending, all you have to do is pour it into your pie crust. So I got a Keebler Ready crust. It's just a graham cracker pie crust. You can really make your own crust too if you want. It really doesn't add many more steps. You're just going to melt some butter, pound out some graham crackers, or make it very crumbly, and then you're just going to mix that together. So a graham cracker crust is pretty simple, but I already had a few graham cracker crusts at home, so didn't really feel the need to buy some more. So you're just going to empty this in here. And it's the same ingredients that I would have bought anyhow. You want to make it nice and flat on top. And if you make this in the morning, then by later on, close to dinner time, it will be nice and set. It takes about 5 to 6 hours in your fridge to set. So I'm going to make sure I get all this out of here. But anyway, this is just so simple. I mean, this is perfect for family gatherings, potlucks. If you just want a nice dessert, or you're even doing a date night at home and you want to make something special. Today is my fiance's birthday, and he likes pies too and cakes, so I think he's going to really enjoy this. I hope so. Let me just get all that filling out of there. And then after this sets later on, totally optional, but I'm going to be adding some strawberries again just to make it look nice and pretty. You really don't have to mess with this top too much once you pour it, as long as it's even. I can just be perfectionist sometimes, so trying to make it as even as possible. I did taste a little bit of the side of the bowl after emptying all the filling out, and oh my goodness, it's going to be delicious. It already tastes so good. It's like the perfect lemon flavor. Not overly flavored, but definitely enough, and so delicious. So I can't wait to try some of this later on. Okay, so I am all done evening the cream cheese mixture out. Looks like it's going to turn out absolutely delicious, and this ended up being the perfect sized pie crust for my cream cheese filling, so that worked out perfect. And then also, I just wanted to tell you one more tip. You do want to cover this with plastic wrap when it's in the fridge. If you don't, it could absorb other smells and even flavoring from your fridge, and it could dry out or get gummy. So yes, you definitely do want to cover this up and leave it in your fridge for about 5 to 6 hours to make sure it sets perfectly. And I will catch you guys later. Alright guys and girls, I've just taken this out of the fridge. I was letting it set for about 6 hours. You could do like 5.5 also. Should be good enough. Looks like it turned out so delicious. Now I just chopped up some fresh organic strawberries. That's totally optional, but I think that makes it look delicious and beautiful too. And it's going to add a little bit of flavor, and I love strawberry and lemon together. So totally optional, but I think it's definitely worth it to add this step at the end. Can't wait to taste test it, so I will see you guys really soon. Okay guys and girls, it is time to taste test this delicious, beautiful creation. It started getting a little softer because I had it out while I was preparing to do this and taste test, so I had it sitting out a little bit. Still, it looks like it's absolutely delicious. Can't wait to try it. And side note, don't mind the pink confetti. It was my fiance's birthday, and I thought it'd be hilarious to use some of my daughter's old confetti balloons. I was blowing one up, so I blew it up as far as I could to make the heart shape nice, because it was a heart-shaped balloon with confetti inside. Blew it up a little too much, and the confetti popped everywhere. But I thought that was a nice touch, so I just went with it, and then we gave him some more pink balloons and pink stuff with his presents, so he thought that was funny. As soon as he walked in the door, we threw up the confetti and balloons, and yeah, so that's what the pink confetti is about, so don't mind that. All right, I can't wait to taste test this for you, so let me try. Guys, I'm not lying. This is absolutely delicious. If you like lemon flavor, oh my goodness. If you like lemonade, it literally tastes like lemonade cheesecake. I made mine a little extra lemony. 1 lemon would suffice, but I added a little more than that because I like a lot of flavor in my desserts. This is so good. I have to get another bite. Perfection, guys, and this is so easy. This is guaranteed to be a hit at family gatherings, potlucks, really whatever you want to make it for, birthdays. I don't care what you make it for. People are going to love it. They're going to want it. They're going to want the recipe, and they're probably going to ask you to make it again for the next gathering. So good luck. You really don't need it though. It's really foolproof. So simple, only a few ingredients. You can even make your own crust. I used a pre-made ready crust because I already had that. So the only thing I really had to buy to add for this recipe was the strawberries, and that's totally optional. I just thought it added a nice touch and made it look beautiful. So hope you enjoy this as much as I did. Give it a try and let me know what you thought. I guarantee you're gonna love it. I don't know how you can. If you don't love this, then your taste buds don't work right or something. So this has to be definitely one of my favorites, if not my favorite dessert I've made for you guys so far. So I hope you enjoy this as much as I love it so much. Don't forget to support our channel. That really helps me and lets me know that you're enjoying my videos and helps my channel grow. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next cooking video. Bye. Hi, son. What you doing there? Did you find a new box? Did you find a new box, Cecilia? Are you on the camera? Yes. Yeah, I'll turn the light out. Yeah, it'll make it better for vlog. You're so here, son. What you doing?